Hey guys, don't get me wrong, I'm not into some religious thing now, most of all because religion means reread, mostly old texts. Since I do not much believe in the power of old scriptures, I would suggest rehear, and as this is a bit awkward, as we can only hear things happening in the present, I'd suggest listen. Check out this video for how to listen, how to fall in love with sound, and how to utilize this knowledge for creating music. Like, subscribe, comment, share, and listen. Stop, listen, stop, listen, stop, listen. Go on and keep listening. Street, cars, people, textures, frequencies of machines and fans, distant bells, the typing of your keyboard, the snoring of your friend in the morning, the clatter of the dishes, your bike and footsteps, the hall of people when doing sports, street musicians, the subway, chunks of TV shows, commercials, a dog. Listen to rooms, the change of voices when switching rooms, shifting resonance frequencies, volume peaks, acoustic behavior, big and small rooms made of wood, stone, laid out with carpets or without, bathrooms, cellars, audio studios, churches, concert halls, clubs. Consciousness, awareness. We will find out. Oh, how nice. I like it. I love this hum. I love this scratching. I dislike this format in her voice. I cannot stand the music blaring out of this speaker. The sound of the voice channel is too loud in the supermarket. The club speaker needs to be replaced. This lonely bird in the distance is awesome. I like the dripping of water in my kitchen sink. I love my cat's purr. And I absolutely love this specific chord on that guitar and the detune piano in this hotel's lobby. Endless flowing sound. We can be its listeners, its priests, or not. And if we are, we have big ears and listen to our friends when we play music together. We do that now in a different way. I do not care what culture you quote when you play that guitar riff, but I care about your sound. Does it fit the environment? Does it linger quite right here? Does it make the world more beautiful? Or does it show that you're unbalanced, not listening, maybe too loud, maybe too eager? I instantly quit this jam when I realized, no, not my cup of tea. If you play your drums in a manner that I have the feeling it's not sensitive to the eternal, I quit my playing. What else should I do? Overpower you? Talk to you or teach you? No, I clean my instrument and I go home or do something beautiful or play somewhere else and accept without anger. I do that in a gig also on stage. Mostly it's jams with people I've never played with before. And it's not about the culture, the tradition of keeping up the music by all means. No. The sound is always right, and if it tells me you cannot achieve nothing here, then it's the time to stop. Worshipping sound is also to know when to stop, to be mute, to be silent. Also, it will urge me to play, to write, to perform when the time is right, when I know deep inside, yeah, this is right, this is true. And when the sound is true, it becomes one with its surrounding, the context, the environment, and yes, people can feel it. It changes people and conversations and thoughts, even if they do not know it. It works like medicine. Let us all create true and beautiful sound, and never forget, it's not about style. Black metal can align with its surrounding and touch the eternal in a similar manner as a vocal quartet can. I'm so deeply in love with sound. Om Shanti. Like, comment, subscribe. Happy listening, people. See you next time.